period of rotation of the Earth need to be if objects at the equator were to appear weightless? And they've given you a radius of the Earth. Alright, so let's jump across. What I have then is a scenario whereby we've got the Earth and we're on the equator, and an object on the equator is weightless. Now for that to happen, what would have to happen is the weight would have to be equal to the centripetal force. Because at that point my object is getting pulled to the centre of the Earth with a force due to gravity, and it's actually needs a centripetal force actually equal and opposite, and that means it would basically be weightless as it goes around that centre of the Earth. So if I look at it, then what I'm saying is my weight must be equal to mv squared upon r, and immediately I can get rid of the masses. Rearrange ever so slightly, and I've got v squared is equal to rg, and I know that my speed must be distance upon time, so that's the circumference divided by the period. So that's substituting that back in. I've then got 4 pi squared r squared upon t squared is going to be equal to rg. And cancel that r, cancel that r. And I'm going to rearrange. So I rearrange and I get t is equal to the square root of 4 pi squared r divided by g. And I can sub the numbers in, giving me the square root of 4 times by pi times by the radius. They give us a 6.4 times 10 to the 6 meters, and they're divided by 9.81. Plug that into my calculator. I've got 4 times by, turn it on will help, 4 times pi times by 6.4 times 10 to the 6 meters, divided by 9.81 meters per second squared. Square root of that answer gives me 2863.3 seconds. I have a horrible feeling I've done something wrong, and it's because that's pi squared. I've missed out the square as I came across, so I'll try again. 4 times shift pi squared times by 6.4 times 10 to the 6 divided by 9.81 gives me an absolutely huge number. So again, I've done something square root of that answer. Gives me an answer of 5074.99 seconds. I don't think I've done anything silly that time. Now, they will answer in terms of hours. So to work that out, I'm going to have to divide by 60, which would give me minutes. Then divide by 60 again to give me hours. So I'm going to divide by 60 and then divide by 60. And that gives me an answer of 1.4097 hours, which means their answer is, they've got an answer of 1.4 hours for B. Thank you very much.